Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Lincoln MKX key fob. First, gather all existing key fobs, including any new ones you wish to program. It is crucial that your vehicle's battery is fully charged to prevent interruptions during the programming sequence. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, allowing you to quickly get your new or replacement key fobs working seamlessly with your vehicle. To begin, ensure all your vehicle's doors are completely closed. Next, insert an already programmed key into the ignition. Now, turn the key from the OFF position to the RUN position 8 times in quick succession, within 10 seconds. It's important to finish with the key in the RUN position. You should hear a chime, indicating that your vehicle has successfully entered programming mode, ready for the next step. Once the chime sounds, indicating programming mode, take your first new key fob. Press any button on this fob. The vehicle's doors will then lock and unlock, confirming that this key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs to program, repeat this exact step for each additional fob. Remember to complete the programming of all fobs within 10 seconds of each other to ensure they are all registered correctly. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. You can then remove the key from the ignition. The vehicle will automatically exit programming mode. Finally, it is essential to test all your newly programmed key fobs. Check each button lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic to ensure they are all functioning correctly and communicating with your Lincoln MKX. Congratulations, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.